Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE 24/7 and the host of the webcast series. In our upcoming Design and Simulation Summit online on October 31st, consultant Mark Meili is giving a talk called How to Make Simulation-Driven Design a Strategic Advantage for Your Company. Now, here's a preview of his talk.
Simulation and related technologies, such as product lifecycle management, have been used successfully for decades to provide designs that are well understood and work right the first time. Because in many cases, these capabilities and methods are well embedded into work processes, the value that is being created is often forgotten and not well documented. The risk that comes from this lack of value documentation is that those not close to how the value is created may not see it, and they may view these tools as expenses to be minimized rather than strategic approaches whose value needs to be maximized. I will discuss how to first think about, second, how to document, and third, and most importantly, how to communicate the value on an ongoing basis such that your business comes to understand and value simulation and the people who use it to drive business results as strategic business assets.
To join the summit, please register at the link below. Hope to see you there.